Tank mix order and procedure are important with Enlist herbicides so that we've got a smooth process when we're filling the tank. Let's run down a typical tank mix example. That would be AMS plus glyphosate plus Enlist 1 plus an S-metolachlor product like Everprex. The first thing we would do is begin with the tank half full of water and start agitation. The first thing into the tank would be our water conditioner, that's our AMS. Now if you're using a dry AMS or another dry product, make sure that you take the time to thoroughly mix that product in. Allow about 5 minutes to make sure it's fully incorporated. The next thing into the tank would be our emulsifiable concentrate or EC product. That's S-metolachlor. Next, we would go with our soluble liquids. Now, Enlist 1, glyphosate, and Liberty are all soluble liquids. The important thing here is that we add those soluble liquids one at a time and allow agitation between them. Now, if you're tank mixing with a K-salt glyphosate, that would be a product like Abundant Edge or Power Max. Take extra care that you don't allow the concentrates of Enlist 1 and that K-salt to come into contact. Take your time, add the products one at a time, and allow time for agitation between the additions. To find out more about tank mix procedure, visit enlist.com.